Hey everyone, happy Saturday. Today I decided to bring you along and show you how I spend a typical weekend as a Filipina living in Taiwan. Right after waking up, the first thing I do is to tidy up my bed. Then, open my sliding door to let the fresh air in. Though, to be honest, I live right by the road so I'm not entirely sure how fresh this air actually is.
It's dying na kasi.
Next up is my morning devotion to start the day with a grounded heart. I'm using my phone to look up today's Our Daily Bread topic, but I've got to admit, I really need to buy a physical book. Using a phone for a devotions is a dangerous game because the notifications are an absolute trap for distractions. If you know, you know. Can you believe it's already July? Summer is officially here, but clearly, my bed didn't get the memo because I still have this heavy winter quilt out. Time to finally pack it into its bag and hide it away to the closet until next winter. And of course, since it's Saturday, it's laundry day. Quick tip, I always use these mesh laundry bags. They are an absolute lifesaver for protecting clothes from stretching out in the wash. For breakfast, I'm keeping it healthy. Lately, I've started cooking with olive oil because of all its healthy benefits.
Bukod sa itlog, ano na kaya mong lutuin?
Hi! Nagbablog ako. Pato, may ayuda from kapitbahay.
O tapos,
2 eggs and some freshly sliced mango chunks. Simple, clean, and just
Oy,
enough to
congrats!
kickstart my
Dep-ed ka
day.
na.
Time to get ready. I'm ready to go.
Right now, today is Saturday. And naantay ko si Jason. Tapos na akong maglinis. Tapos na akong maglaba. Naantay ko na lang siya. Nasa school siya ngayon kasi meron silang graduation. He needs to attend. Pero hindi kami graduation sa school kaso hindi naman ako required umattend. So, hindi na lang ako attend. The view is so pretty!
Finally out of the house. We made our way over to the seafood market in Kaohsiung to grab some lunch and walk around.
I want stinky tofu. What's this? Grilled scallops. Medyo mahal.
ordered so much food and everything was incredibly fresh and delicious. There's nothing like weekend market vibes in Taiwan. Back home and winding down for the night. I'm finally unboxing the latest AirTags that I ordered online. This pack comes with 4 inside, 2 are for me, and the other 2 are for Jason. I had the hardest time trying to pair the first one. I wanted it to connect to my iPhone, but it kept trying to pair with my iPad instead. After doing some searching online, I've realized that since both devices share the same exact Apple ID, it doesn't matter which one it pairs with. It's going to show up on my phone anyway. Problem solved.